Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to create flicker effect on CapCut. So what you need to do first is import a photo or video to CapCut and then go to tags and click on add tags, and here add a random letter and fit it to the whole screen. I'm going to just choose T, and then here I'm going to choose the fonts into a classic one, and then fit the the letter until it go like this, until it fits the whole screen, and then go to style and set the opacity into 5%. Okay, and then change the color into black, and then here go to animation and find the flash animation. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so you need to find the flash animation on loop. Okay, find flash. Okay, so this one's right here, and then you can adjust the durations into your liking, the speed or duration into your liking. I'm going to set it on 0.1 seconds and then click on the check icon, and here is the final result. So you can have that flicker or flash effects in your photo or video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.